What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So, what is the ELD? It stands for Electrical Load Detector. Think of it as a little manager for your car's electrical system. It's constantly measuring how much power things like your headlights, radio, and air conditioning are using. It then sends this information to your car's main computer, the ECU. The ECU uses this data to tell the alternator how hard it needs to work to keep the battery charged without wasting fuel. It's a pretty smart system designed to improve your gas mileage. When you see the code P1298, your car's computer is saying, "Hey, the signal I'm getting from the ELD is way too high. Something's wrong here." This usually happens when the voltage signal stays above 4.9 volts for more than 15 seconds. The most common symptom you'll notice, besides the check engine light, is that your car's charging system might go into a default mode. In this mode, the alternator runs constantly at a high output to make sure the battery doesn't die. You might notice your lights are a bit brighter than usual, or your car feels slightly less responsive because the engine is working harder to spin the alternator. So, what causes this high voltage reading? The number one culprit, alongsot, is the ELD unit itself. These units are known to fail over time. The good news is that on most older Hondas and Acuras, like Civics, Accords, CRVs, and the ELD is located right inside the underhood fuse box. It's a small, usually blue or black, 3-pin module. Replacing it is often a straightforward job. Before you rush out and buy a new ELD, let's talk about diagnosis. First, a visual inspection. Pop the hood and find your fuse box. Open it up and look for the ELD. Check for any obvious signs of damage, like corrosion on the pins or cracks in the housing. Also, check the wiring going to the LED. Look for any frayed wires or loose connections. Sometimes, just wiggling the connector can temporarily fix the problem, which points you directly to a bad connection. If everything looks okay visually, the next step is to test the circuit. You'll need a basic with the ignition on, but the engine off. You can check the voltages at the L connector. There are 3 wires. One is a 5-volt reference from the ECU, one is a ground, and the third is the signal wire that goes back to the ECU. The problem is often with this signal wire, which is being shorted to power, or the LD unit is internally failing and sending out a constant high voltage. A proper diagnostic check will confirm this. But honestly, given how common ELD failure is, if you've identified a faulty ELD, replacing it is usually pretty simple. Reconnect your battery, and you're almost done. You can use a standard OBD to scanner to do this. If the check engine light stays off, you've likely fixed the problem. Take it for a test drive to be sure. One final tip. When buying a replacement ELD, try to get an OEM or a high-quality aftermarket part. Cheaper, no-name parts can sometimes be dead on arrival or fail very quickly, leaving you right back where you started. It's worth spending a little extra for the peace of mind. And that is pretty much everything you need to know about the P1298 code on your Honda or Acura. It seems intimidating, but it's often a simple and inexpensive fix you can do yourself. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY car repair guides. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.